Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and here let's scroll to find the display. Now we have to scroll down to find the sleep option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of available sleep options from which we can choose. At the top relatively short options of course, and at the bottom the longest one. So basically all you have to do to change the sleep option, just tap on the option you'd like to use. So I'll pick 5 minutes. As you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back to the display settings you can see that it is notified right here, and from now on your device will sleep after 5 minutes of inactivity. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.